Have you ever wondered how the natural world around us, the air we breathe, the water we drink, even the soil beneath our feet, is shaped by the invisible hand of chemistry? This is the fascinating realm of environmental chemistry. First, it's important to understand what environmental chemistry is. This branch of science studies how chemicals interact with the natural environment. It delves into the chemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in the natural world, be it in air, water, or soil. But why is this critical? Well, it's because these interactions play a significant part in the health of our planet and every living thing that calls it home. For instance, consider the chemical reactions that occur in the atmosphere. These reactions play a crucial role in controlling our climate. They dictate the composition of our air, which in turn impacts everything from the weather we experience to the air we breathe. But the atmosphere is just one piece of the puzzle. The hydrosphere, which includes all the Earth's water, is another major player. Chemical reactions in water bodies can affect their acidity, temperature, and overall health. Just think about the process of eutrophication, where excess nutrients, often from human activities, cause an explosive growth of algae in water bodies. This results in oxygen depletion, killing off aquatic life and creating dead zones. Then, there's the lithosphere, encompassing the Earth's solid outer layer, including soil and rocks. Here too, chemical processes are at work. They help in the formation of minerals and the degradation of rocks, influencing the fertility of soils and the availability of nutrients for plants. Moreover, environmental chemistry also explores the impact of human activities on these natural processes. It's through this lens that we examine phenomena like acid rain, climate change, and pollution. For instance, the burning of fossil fuels releases sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. These gases can combine with water vapor to form acids, which then fall back to Earth as acid rain, harming ecosystems and infrastructure. So, environmental chemistry doesn't just help us understand the natural world. It also provides the knowledge we need to mitigate the harmful effects of human activities and to find sustainable solutions for the future. To sum up, environmental chemistry is the science of chemical interactions in the natural environment. It's crucial in understanding and controlling the health of our planet. From the reactions in the atmosphere that shape our climate, to the chemical processes in water that influence its health, and the chemical reactions in soil that dictate its fertility, environmental chemistry is at the heart of it all. It also shines a light on the impact of human activities, giving us the tools to build a sustainable future. Without environmental chemistry, we would be stumbling in the dark, unable to comprehend or respond to the environmental challenges that face us. So the next time you take a breath of fresh air, drink a glass of water, or simply enjoy the natural world around you, remember the invisible hand of chemistry that makes it all possible.